Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Measure and mark the area of wall to be removed. For this project, score over the marks with a sharp utility blade. Use a hammer or small sledgehammer to break out the dry wall, taking care not to hit the wall framing. Use a drywall saw or reciprocating saw for accurate cuts along the scored lines.
Let's help you make your mark.
Taking down a standard wall consisting of drywall and wall studs can open up a room and create a lot more space. You can knock down a wall yourself, but you need to first make sure that the wall isn't load-bearing. Use a sledgehammer to create holes in the drywall so you can remove it.
Let's help you make your mark.
After covering your furniture, protect yourself by wearing safety goggles, gloves, and a respirator mask. A sledgehammer is fun to swing a few times and can bust wall studs with ease, but a more efficient way of removing a wall is by using a reciprocating saw with a bi-metal demolition blade.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The simple answer to your question is yes, the walls can be removed. A bearing wall is a support wall that transfers load from above down through the structure to another wall, a beam, and/or a foundation. Some bearing walls seem innocuous and are well disguised.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.